the People bike check. And this is my Volta. I'm Wilson, part of the Unlit group. Alright, so as you can see, I have the We the People Volta. It's right there. And I got mine from Action Sports, Bakersfield, other known as Baco. It is $6.39. Well, I got it for nice price, sort of, if you're willing to pay that much. But alright, so it's got the half-link chain, E-clat pedals, salt, E-clat, We the People, feeling, E-clat pivotal seat, so salt cranks, sealed front and back. Everything is sealed on this. I actually tape mine because chain always hits the frame, so don't want to scratch it up. Even the forks are chromoly, and salt rim, both double wall, front and back. Grip and front tire though, a little different. Some E-clat. I mean, most of it's salt and E-clat. The other video we got is mostly salt and We the People. But this one's a better bike, obviously. So, this is the Volta.